What's up, everybody? Dan Henry here, and in the next 60 seconds, I'm going to show you how to explode the amount of clients you have for your online advertising or lead generation agency, or if you haven't started one yet, how to explode it when you do, and that is going to be using required referrals, a little trick I call required referrals. You see all this stuff up on here? I'm about to explain it. So, ready? Start the timer, 60 seconds, and here we go. All right, so what you want to do is you want to offer your price of $2,000 per month for your Facebook ads or whatever it is. Boom, that's the price. You talk to the client. You say, listen, client, Mr. Client Man, I'm going to give you a $500 discount, and it's only going to be $1,500 a month. But in exchange for that $500 discount, I need two things. Number one, well, I need three things. Number one, I need your money. That's the $1,500. But the two things else I need for the $500 discount, I need a testimonial within 30 days if I get you results. If I get you results and you're happy, submit to me a 60-second testimonial. That's all I need. And then I need 3 referrals. Now, these aren't just any referrals. I need you to actually get on the phone with a colleague of yours, introduce them to me on a 3-way call, tell them what I've done for your business with my advertising, and then you can go. And then I'll take over the conversation. Now, for this, for you taking the time to do these two things, I will not only give you a $500 discount, I will give you a $500 discount forever, and I will always charge you $1,500 instead of $2,000. I don't know if I went over 60 seconds or not, but here's the deal. This method right here really works to explode the amount of referrals you get, because you're not really charging any less. Let's say you charge $1,500. Just tack on another $500, and now you charge $2. But when you take that $500 away when you're on the phone with your client and you're signing them up, you're gaining contractually, you can put it in your agreement, in your contract, a testimonial within 30 days and 3 referrals within 30 days. It's part of your payment. You accept 3 forms of payment, okay? 3 forms: money, a testimonial, and 3 referrals, okay? These are called required referrals, and this will explode your agency. Now, once again, my name is Dan Henry. I am the founder of GetClients.com, and I have taught thousands of people how to start and grow hyper-profitable online advertising agencies. Now, the great part about this is a free video, and I also have a 1-hour class that's also free. First class is also free, so you can make sure that my training is awesome. If you ever decide to buy something from me, you get a nice 1-hour free training so you can see the quality. So if you want that training, if you want to see a full 1-hour training that goes way deeper than this, if you got value out of this and you want more, then you need to watch this 1-hour training. Click the link included with this video. Enter your name and email. I'll send a link to the training over to your email. Click it, watch the training. You will love it, especially if you love this video. Love you guys. See you later, and I look forward to hearing about your success. Bye.